This is you slowly clicking through menus and dragging elements one by one. This is you zipping through your designs with a symphony of shortcuts. Welcome to Figma Bites, the video series that aims to teach you to speed up your Figma workflow. Today we're serving up a smorgasbord of shortcuts designed to make your Figma experience a delectable delight. Get ready to master your keyboard and munch on some major productivity gains. Let's dive into these tasty shortcuts. First up, quick duplication. You could copy and paste, but try this. Select an element and hold down Option and then click and drag. Boom, instant duplicate. Need another? Just hit Command D to repeat that last action and duplicate again. It's like having a bottomless basket of fresh baked bread. Next, let's quickly add hyperlinks. Select your text and then press Shift Command U. Paste the URL into the popover. No more digging through menus. Ever wanted to quickly access your widgets or plugins? Forget long menu navigation. Just press Command K and the Quick Actions menu pops right up. Type what you need. It's your express lane to all the things. Creating components is a core part of Figma. Select your element, and with a swift press of Option Command K, you can create a reusable component. Now you can insert instances of a component by pressing Shift I and selecting it from the menu. Add as many as you need and edit them all from one place in the main component. Auto layout is a powerful feature for responsive designs. Instead of searching for it in the Properties panel, simply select your frame and press Shift A to toggle it on. Effortless arrangement every time. When working with auto layout frames, resizing can be a treat. Double-click on the edge of a frame to make it hug contents. For a full width experience, hold Option and double-click the frame edge to make it fill container. Flexible frames fitting perfectly. The eyedropper tool is a visual treat. Press I to activate it and sample any color. But here's the secret sauce. Hold down Shift while using the eyedropper, and you can grab variables or styles. Even tastier, press Shift Command while sampling a color, and a popover appears, letting you create a new variable directly from that color. Navigating complex layers can feel like a maze, but with Command Click, you can directly select nested elements, bypassing parent frames. No more tedious double-click disco. Then, to swiftly move through your layer hierarchy, use Return to go down a level, or Shift Return to go up. Or, to select children within a layer, just press Tab. It's like a guided tour through your Layers panel. Multi-editing makes mass changes a breeze. Select an element and then press Option Command A to select all matching layers. Then you can edit them all at once. Need to quickly grab an image of your design? Select your frame or element and hit Command Shift C to copy them as a PNG. Perfect for quick shares. Copying and pasting properties is a massive time saver. Select an object with the properties you want and press Option Command C, then select the target object and use Option Command V to paste those properties. Styles, fills, effects, it's like a flavor factory for your designs. When you need to swap out an element, there's no need to delete and paste. Copy an element and select the element you want to replace. Then press Command Shift R to paste and replace. Seamless swaps. For quick alignment, use Option plus W, S, A, D, V, or H. This will align your selected objects to the top, bottom, left or right, center vertically, or center horizontally, respectively. Precise positioning. And finally, to keep your workspace tidy, especially with many layers, use Option L to collapse all other layers in the layer panel. That's a plate full of Figma shortcuts to speed up your workflow. I hope this Figma Bite helps you master your movements marvelously. Thanks for watching.